There we go. Sit rep is that snacks are fully armed and operational. We'll wait till these people finish their match and then see if they want to play. Do 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 do. While we're waiting, let's see what we can do. I hate Bloodhound. Bloodhound is so dumb. Lame. Most of the other characters are pretty good. I don't ever play Wraith. Play Lifeline a lot. What should we do? Can we buy crates with loser points? No. You can only buy them with gold monies. You can't buy gold monies with loser points, only with real dollars. I mean, I could pay some real monies because I haven't paid anything for this game and I've played it for like 60 hours. It's just this offends me. Am I liking it? It's good. I mean, I have some problems with it, but it's good. Oh, you don't have audio because this OBS doesn't do that right. Let me switch it. Thank you for pointing that out. Now you should have audio. It might be too quiet. But I also have the music turned down in game, so like how loud is that button sound? And if that's good, we're good. Kraber. Some of these skins are just not good. That one's good. I wish I could spectate these folks, but I can't yet. I've played Mirage like twice. I probably don't have any good badges for Mirage because of that. Yeah. Yep. Original. I mean, what's original? I mean, I wouldn't mind a better Lifeline skin. That one's good. That one's good. That one is alright. I would change it a bit. Eh. 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 Goofy. Goofy. What do I got for Bangalore? That's what I used to use. I like that one better. I get maybe this one's purple because it's animated. It's not that good. Like these are just recolors of each other. The red one's better. I mean, that one's better than a lot
John,
of these.
We're in another Discord room if you want.
Oh, okay. Yeah. How do I get there? Oh, do I go to your thinger? That just broke up, so let me just go to Discord. Okay, he's not in his Discord. I've been invited. Join. Hello, hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey. So as a warning, I'm streaming right now. If
Oh,
that's okay.
no. Yeah, that's no problem.
All right.
All right.
Just letting you
See
know.
a lot of noob action.
I tend to play worse when I stream, so there's that. But
Oh, yes, the pressure.
it's you know because the streaming data takes up network bandwidth, and so my commands don't get there fast enough to shoot in time.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sure the pressure will make me play worse.
Yeah.
So thank you for telling me.
Yeah. There's only, how many viewers do I have right now? Let me see. Well, 45, so it's no big deal.
No big deal.
No big deal.
All right, Zell, you ready? You still with us?
I think I heard him in the background.
Well, he's not there. We can get Dravis in today.
Give him a minute. Zell?
How'd the last game go?
We ran around for 19 minutes beating all tactical, and then like this super team essentially just surrounded us and annihilated us.
Yeah,
I got,
that happens.
literally, I had literally 0 damage.
They need a little bit of matchmaking, in my opinion. You know?
I don't know. It's hard to decide. Like, what do you do if a team is mixed skill and stuff like that?
Yeah, well, I don't mind that so much.
Smurfing?
I mean, at least they're taking a penalty for that. But like, if you run into like Shroud plus Dizzy plus, Choco Taco or something, like you don't want that.
You're just dead. Yeah.
You're just dead. And you can't learn from it because like, how do you know what you did wrong? They just ran over you, right? Whereas if it's someone who's, 50% better than you, you can at least, you kind of understand what happened and can do better next time. So I don't know.
Maybe they'll do it in the future. I can see why they wouldn't on first release though.
Yeah. I just feel like they have so many players that they've got to at least be thinking about it.
Okay, well, Zell, are you with us?
Hello?
All right, ready up. This is my buddy John. He's streaming, so.
Yeah. Don't say anything that the internet will be upset about, which is basically anything.
Anything.
Yeah, don't say anything of significance on any topic.
Fuck the internet. I hate the internet. And I hate everyone who uses the internet.
Oh God.
It's time to impress.
If I may be honest, I find death fascinating.
If you can't keep up, you're straight out of luck.
All right.
All right.
So I'm trying out agnostic. Still trying to find my groove with this guy.
He's good in certain areas, right? Like if you're in the bunker or in some
Or the
buildings,
tunnel, yeah.
he's good.
I mean,
The
it's
thing
nice
is-
to deny area with the ultimate sometimes.
Yeah. But
Traps
also,
never done anything but get me killed though.
you got to put the traps where they're out of line of sight. Because I don't know if you know this, but you can disable them by shooting them in a certain way.
Yeah, but it still takes time. So
It does, but you know, it's better if someone like trips on one and sets it off.
Okay. Wherever you want, man.
Get bunker.
Hold on tight. It's time to drop shotgun rock.
Or maybe pit. Let's go pit.
I'm good with anywhere. There's people getting there first.
Yeah, maybe down would be better. I got a gun.
I have a backpack.
Better start than some games.
I'm gonna hit someone with my backpack. It'll be epic.
Do we want to try going up the hill here? People don't.
We have no guns. Let's not run into
I think
people.
this village on the left is probably.
FNG's always go first.
Suggest we do some research in this area.
I'm going to go to this one building because I think it's unlikely that people land here.
Do it.
'Cause it's on its own. All right. I've got a grenade.
I think I'm just gonna get murdered by the enemy and
Don't do that.
my body get picked up.
Don't do that. All right. I have my dope EVA 8 with a gold-plated situation, so we win.
It's a good gun at the right range.
Nice. Perfect.
And a Peacekeeper, double shotgun strat.
Beautiful. Like a real man.
Extended light magazine here. Level 2.
Oh,
Zip for that
I suggest we do some research in this
sniper sight.
all right. I'm going to come down and meet up with you guys now.
This is the longest zip line of life.
Oh, you guys are going all the way up, or?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, hopefully there's no one here. It looks unmoved though.
All right.
It's pretty cozy.
area. Deployed.
Let me know if you see any ultimate accelerants, and I'll get us equipment.
Will do.
Placing gas trap.
Right, yeah, they have it.
Peacekeeper here. Ultimate accelerant here. Dibs. Peacekeeper There's a hop up here. Joke.
Now I'm wishing I'd kept a Peacekeeper. But, you know,
Ultimate accelerant here.
There's two ultimates for you.
yeah.
Never mind.
Whoops.
I need it.
I'm trying to... Oh, I got it. Okay.
Got a hop up here. Barrel choke.
Oh, well, I crashed. That's fun.
Oh, well, great.
You seriously just crashed.
Oh wait, I'm back. Haha.
I've definitely had it Alt-Tab without crashing. That's a thing.
Alt tab here. Just
So if we want to go through the tunnel,
Oh, yeah, I've also had it, like, freeze for several seconds without crashing.
I suspect we'll find something here.
I'm going through the tunnel.
Yeah. I'm meeting up with you guys. So we're going to have a drop in, like, 20 seconds, so I guess I'll drop it at the other side.
Extended heavy mag here. Level 2.
I already have? Okay, I already have.
Prowler. Oh,
I got with it.
there's an extended heavy with it.
Alright, I'm gonna.
I'm just going to drop this and hope nobody landed artillery.
Calling in a lifeline.
This is, I think, looted. Yeah, it's looted.
Yeah, definitely.
Others have been through there.
One of you guys just drop a smoke?
Barrel stabilizer here.
No.
Level 3.
No, it's the. Never mind.
Body shield here. Level 2.
I still need optics.
Yeah, I still need a lot of things, honestly. But we're not going to find anything here. Let's go try out by the balloon, because often people don't go that way.
I've got an ACOG and a.
Say one. We're all inside this ring.
Anyone
You
need
have
an
an optic
ACOG?
you don't need?
Yep, I got one.
Yeah, this is not looted, which makes me wonder where they went. Where's the robo? Where's the robo? Come here, robo.
I could use that other one if you want.
Well, I'm using it.
Okay.
What do I drop?
Attention. Delivery package.
Gas trap deployed. Those care packages likely shoot the Delta in our
There's
favor.
unlooted stuff over
Supply
here.
bin here.
Should be good.
Let's go this way.
All right.
Someone playing.
I'm hearing creepy messages about
Yeah, someone's like watching TV or something.
Yes.
Dravis.
I'll turn off my mic.
Oh,
There's a drop
Pod
going on
dropping
over
it.
there. I'm still hearing some crazy shit.
shots over by me.
Andrew?
Lots of shooting.
Standard stock here. Level 2.
I took it. Oh my god!
Alright. You'll have to mute him in the Discord.
Alright, I don't want to do that right now. We'll just deal with it till
Fine.
later.
I had it muted.
Yeah, we're still hearing you.
Weird. You didn't say anything when I said, can you hear me?
I said, oh my god.
Good luck, guys.
Thank you.
Champion eliminated.
The champion was weighed.
Hope the streamers did not leave.
Okay.
I mean, not that I really care, because I hate all internet people.
Yes, we all do. Let's be honest.
That's my stated position, and I'm gonna stick with it.
We're gonna try to get these guys while they're fighting.
Now the shots are kind of far. They're way out there on the other side of the rocks. I bet there's someone closer.
Supply ship inbound.
I can see them.
Subject spotted. There.
But I don't really have the weapons for this.
Oh,
Yeah.
There's one right there.
Oh, you got a Havoc. Yeah, I guess we're shooting.
Havoc is not useful at this range. That's what I've discovered.
Yeah, I've got a flat line with no scope.
Holding or attacking?
If you get the select fire, let's drop down maybe.
Yeah, let's drop down and get a push.
If you get the select fire, you could use a Havoc as a railgun. And I think it might be good at that range. I'm not sure, but
I can still see them over there, and I think there's one on our side of the river too.
alright.
There's one.
Roger.
Someone's dropping pods behind us too, so be a little bit cautious here.
Yeah. I can see them
Another
looting.
subject over there. Firing out
And a
subjects.
few hits. Just want to stop them from looting. They know I'm here.
I would assume, since you just strung a stream of bullets
Shot
at him.
them.
I'm gonna flank around through this back opening.
I'm not sure where they are. I think I lost sight of them.
Have a subject in view. Far off.
I'm approaching. I think they might
There's
be towards you.
some dead bodies over here.
Really close to us.
Yeah, there's a drop here. Oh yeah.
Target spotted. I'm spotted. Taking
I'll poison him.
The dude lasered me pretty good, so watch out. He's doing damage. Oof. Oh, damn.
Knocking at the door. Recharging my shields.
Push up on him.
Calling in a lifeline package.
He dropped down.
Where did he drop down to?
Just below the houses, I thought. Something dropped.
Oh, it's dropping airstrikes.
Oh, maybe. I don't know. It seemed like it happened during the airstrike. I got a scope now. Well, if there's not a guy up there, he dropped down because I was shooting at him while he was up here.
I don't know. I don't see him. Whole area. He must have dropped down and gone away.
Expect him to come up behind us at any minute then.
He drop over there.
Hopefully that's your caustic, yeah. Alright.
There's some dead bodies we should probably loot.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a ton of them.
Do I want an R99?
I'm gonna loot some corpses.
Yeah. Let's just be careful, man.
Gotta hop up here.
Turbocharger.
Oh, nice.
Helmet here. Level 2.
That's good for the Havoc.
We find ourselves inside the next ring. How serendipitous.
Alright. Yeah, someone's gonna come along while we're looting, you know.
Looks like a care package is coming in.
Destroy us,
Big
maybe.
things in that.
I have all the loot I need.
Alright.
Yeah, that guy totally slipped the net. It was a mirage, so maybe he actually disappeared.
Yeah. Okay.
Try for the ship. I'm pretty good at this.
If anyone sees a 301, let me know. I could have. Oh, a Spitty! Spitty! Yeah.
Great nickname for it.
Oh yeah, dude. I have won many games with the Spitty. Yeah. It's
I have shit
Okay.
load of shield.
all right. Spitty up.
Just giving my shields a reach out.
Let's get in the circle. I need a barrel stabilizer. Let's put that on the Spitty.
I got a spare one.
All right. I can put that on my Scout. There's another drop to the east up there that we could
Someone needed
investigate.
a select fire?
Negative. Drop the power.
Yeah, it'd probably be better to use a turbocharger on the Havoc anyway. I think I hear someone. Might have been, but it sounded like it was a different direction. Maybe it is you. I don't know, man.
Drop coming in ahead.
I think we should get on higher ground.
Yeah, let's go to the one up the hill. Even though it's maybe ill-advised to loot it, but you know what? It's a video game.
Going back where we came. Oh, my old gas traps are gone, so
Good.
that would
Kinda. Oh,
Optics here. Sniper. Gray back.
Ooh, I'll take that.
get that Kraber. Amazing.
it is good action. It's true.
Oh, enemies. Right on the hill above you guys. So these two of them. And, pretty low HP. Let me pass them.
I hit one.
Left side. He's here. Positive. Pushing up the left side.
All right.
They're grenading. I think they may be retreating.
Yep. What happened to the clone?
chimney. Give me a
You
sec.
actually see an enemy at this
Recharging
tunnel?
shields.
Where they went.
I hit one hard with a grenade, so they might have backed off through here, or maybe not.
Yeah, I broke one of their shields. And... Jeez, maybe they're still up that hill. You can see hiding next to it. I don't know how they got it.
I'm gonna drop us another package.
I'm stuck around the corner, but
All right, well, if I were them, I would go through there to position anyway, because airfield is in. For us, maybe our best move is to go back through the other tunnel so that they're not like waiting for us.
It's wider, so-
Well, but they're probably waiting for us at the other side, you know what I'm saying?
No, it's an even fight.
All right.
Well, we don't have to go to
I-
the zone. We're in the zone.
I think the positioning,
We're all inside this ring.
I can't really use my ult in this tunnel, so let's
Care
not.
package touches down.
Yeah.
I'll stick them. We don't have to push hard. Like, we have...
we could at least get the information. The problem is if someone comes in behind us and then we get pinned.
I'm not seeing any evidence.
Yeah.
No, they definitely went in here somewhere. You can always drop a container behind us if you're worried about them circling around.
Might as well just put them all over the place in here, man. Oh, there's another drop up ahead.
Alright, we're like
I s-
middle of the zone. Alright, we just gotta get out of this tunnel opening and then we'll be good.
We're actually inside the zone right
Inside
now.
the next ring.
But we're not in a good place in this zone.
Yeah.
I'd rather be at the north
Supply bin there.
or on top of this building.
Yeah, let's get on there. Which,
Go from the north side and get on top.
yeah. You can actually get on from the side here without going in. You can climb these doors, little known fact. Alright. I am on top. Things are good.
So,
They're dropping a team drop over there.
Care package over there.
nailed it. I can't see it. Can't see it.
Digital sniper threat, asshole.
Can you ping their location again?
Target over there.
They're not even going for the drop. It's not tunnel vision.
They're going to be out, so they're going to have to push us, but we could also get pushed from behind. I just put caustics on all the stairways and stuff so that we have a warning if someone tries to come up. Well, at least one team does.
We're shooting at them pretty heavy, so. In the bunkers or something?
Yeah, probably.
There's 4 squads left.
Just circling around the edge.
Can I get on this roof? Or the upper? Oh yeah, I didn't know I could do that. I thought you had to be the robot. Alright. Yeah, we can hold people in the tunnel from here. It's all good.
How about cover the tunnel side?
Oh, I see him. He's running right. It might be a different team. I'm not sure. Oh, they're moving for... Yeah, okay.
Oh,
I'm gonna...
going through the bunkers. Bunkers.
In the tunnel?
There's some back there and some there.
Enemy over there.
Should I? Oh! Knocked one in the doorway, but he got in. But he's gonna be zoned. Target the shots. Shots right there.
Hostile over there.
They're over there, behind the blue thing. The other squad's still up also, which means they're probably in the triangular bunker.
Oh, they're moving up on us.
Ping him, ping him.
He's in the tunnel.
Oh, that's a different team, dude.
Yeah, it's the other side.
All right.
They're walking right through your.
See one.
I think we want to hold this without being too aggressive. We don't want to go down. We just want to make this unappetizing. Oh, we got to move Oh, that side of the building's in.
We have this corner.
We got to take this building eventually.
Just take it now.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's fuck it.
Where's the high ground?
Crap.
I'll maybe try to get on top. Yeah.
Yeah, there's a box here. You can jump up.
I'll cover you for a sec. All right.
See if they're on drop over there.
Yep, I see a leg. I see a leg.
There's no cover up there. Don't actually like that.
One of them ran left.
Down to the crap. I need either energy or light ammo.
Okay, one of them was knocked and I killed him.
Taken out.
I confess,
Anyone got light ammo?
it was pleasant.
Yeah,
No.
that's not a ton. I can actually drop a little more. Too late.
I got an airstrike I can drop on him.
We're doing great. Only 2 enemy squads
That's the
remain.
bunker people, or the tunnel people watching.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to hold back the tunnel people while you.
I'll concentrate on tunnel because I got a short range weapon
Okay.
and I got caustic.
They're in.
Okay.
Is there any chance that those tunnels sneak around the side here?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, they're moving. Moving at the drop. He went into the bunker.
No, they're hiding at the back of the tunnel.
Watch this bunker. A guy just went in there.
They're getting pushed at us. The tunnel people. Gas. Yeah, they're doing crazy grenades.
There's a guy in our building now. Got him.
Down one.
Enemy taken out.
Enemies coming in at our door.
Guy on me. On me.
Oh, he's outside here. Push. Right on me.
Shit, I'm hurt.
Large guy got away. Tunnel people are coming out.
He's back here. I got to heal.
He's right there
down.
behind that box.
They're out of the zone.
Shields are recharged.
He's outside the zone.
Right behind that box. He's on me.
Guy.
There's a guy on me and there's a guy outside the zone.
It's all you.
They're not going for the res, are they?
One more
It's
squad.
just you and the triplet from the tunnel. I think there's 3 of them. There's at least 2 of
On the
them.
tins. Just giving my
Shit,
shield a
dude.
charge.
Sorry.
I don't have a med kit.
I had a few.
You're the healer. Drop the freaking.
Oh
drop.
shit, yeah, right. Sorry. I was used to playing Bangalore for a while.
They have the zone. Don't let him open it. Don't let him open it.
Fuck. GG's.
Nice.
GG.
I told you I've won many games with the Spitty, man. It's a good gun.
I thought there was at least 2 of them.
No. All right, that's 26 wins for me now. I'm doing good.
Ex-champions.
All right, first game of the night. We got a chicken dinner.
Not bad. Yeah, I wish this game had like a slogan like that.
Yeah.
You are the champion really does not have a ring to it.
Yeah, it misses a little personality.
And I can tell the chicken dinner thing was just some guy late at night who just wrote it as like a test thing and they just never took it out.
Yep.
No one would ever decide on that if they were like sitting around in a meeting.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, it might be based on.
That I was very close to losing that fight, by the way, because the zone was ticking me down real hard, and I wasn't fully healed to begin with. So it was fortunate. Thanks for mentioning the heal drone. For some reason, I just didn't think of it. It was
I
just
got
like,
no healing. You're a medic.
yeah. I was like, what am I thinking? Oh my god.
Death is not mercurial. It's patient. Unlike life.
If the gods will it, Vivenna.
Get ready. Today is not gonna be easy.
Today is not going to be easy.
His accent.
Dun, dun, dun. I should turn off the music.
Champion.
We didn't even get champion. How lame is that?
Oh, you didn't have 885 kills and 200,000
I'm
damage.
the jump
No,
master.
I don't want to be jump master.
Oh, you made me jump master. Well, you obviously didn't think that plan through.
Someone's asking if this is a viewer subscriber squad. No, this is. Well, I don't know who Zell is.
People are watching me.
This is at least a 2/3 game developer squad.
You guys develop games, huh?
Yep.
I
Every now and then.
I do almost nothing useful in life.
Okay. Well, that's like game development.
I'm just gonna go for this blue thing.
I suggest we do some research in this pirate
You
trap.
want to stop on the way?
There's enemies. There's enemies to our right. Yeah, that would be fine.
Search right here. What is the good this thing?
The guys on our right are dropping our side.
Oh. Oh.
Next ring's not close. Enemy spotted.
Yeah, alright, I'm gonna pick on him.
I didn't see him. I just saw the open door, but you know. Anyone want a skull piercer?
There's a new kill leader.
It's
I
it's
will eventually, yeah.
it's like a snow piercer, but different.
It's just the mod, right?
Yeah.
Headshot bandit.
I hear him in there.
With target.
Alright, I'll take this front door.
I'm gonna nade it.
Going thermos grenade.
Probably doesn't do much, but
You'll cut yourself off.
upstairs. I hit him twice.
Oh man. Right. How is that Mirage alive? Alright, she's weak. 1 HP. She just ran out the front door.
There's a bloodhound somewhere.
It's me.
Oh,
Oh, there's an enemy on this side. Second floor.
all right. I'll try and get the res.
Turn out this door.
Damn, how do I get up there? Jesus.
There's two teams fighting.
Ah, what was that?
Come up here and res me and we can go down and get him.
I got owned. Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him!
Where is he?
You saved me, I guess.
Sweet. I'm gonna try to crawl out onto the ground there.
Good now.
I'm gonna.
How about that? I did something useful.
I think there's still one up. Stay in the building.
No, I killed the squad.
Okay. There might be more people. I'm gonna use the heal bot. I kind of think I hear someone. Maybe I'm paranoid.
Special noise when you finish the squad and they get
Yeah, man.
Really? Because the ping noise I thought was just a kill noise, but
no,
yeah, they definitely dropped the crates. But
Definitely killed these
Alright.
guys.
well, good. I don't know how the guy downed me. I was fighting him and I had all my HP and then I was down.
So you had all your HP and then you didn't, so you did something.
Yeah, I did something. Oh, skull piercer.
Prowler here.
I got one of those. Was it only 2 guys?
The ring
No,
ranger is
3
1
guys.
minute.
The other one's over here. It's got a peacekeeper. I'll take that.
Ooh.
Backpack. Take that.
Ring is far.
Ring is some distance.
Here, I
There
just...
you go.
Here's some shields.
Oh,
Oh, energy ammo.
we gotta move, guys.
Taking a moment to heal.
Alright. Going. Oh shit, I need.
There's energy ammo on this guy.
Here.
Oh, shotgun bolt on this for the Peacekeeper.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 2.
I need a shield recharge.
Okay, I'll drop some.
I need heavy ammo. Anybody got a bunch?
I got some. Let's,
I got extra.
Oh, I'm using it actually. Yeah. Let me...
Alright.
Kind of need mine.
Heavy ammo here.
Okay, let's take the balloon.
Shields are recharging.
Alright.
We'll
one
take the
second.
balloon, do the balloon trick.
Thanks.
People are calling out the wingman. I don't want to take the wingman because I don't like it, even though it's the most OP gun in the game.
Yeah, the
Is
wingman
it?
is great when Shroud is using it. Not so much when I'm using
I mean, I can even use it pretty well. I just don't like it. I think it's stupid to be tapping on people with a pistol for the whole game, you know?
it. Just like bring you back to those nostalgic days of Halo 1.
I never played Halo. Not multiplayer, yeah.
The rewards in that care package could
Well,
be
I guess I've got the cheese guns this round, so see how they work out.
Energy ammo here.
I can use that.
If you guys see a Spitfire, let me know.
We gotta angle to this
I
side.
suggest we do some research in this
We're
area.
going for the balloon. All about the balloon.
You can see my brain is very strong.
Oh god, I hit the wall. I screwed up. That
Yeah,
was not what I
that
wanted.
Thing where you like hover past things.
Yeah.
I don't know if they patched it out or if I'm just awful. 'Cause
I don't know. I did it yesterday for sure.
can I get over? Yeah, I just went straight over.
Yeah, I didn't make it for some reason. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, you did way better than me.
Now here's Shoosting. We're gonna engage, or
Well, let's get in. Let's secure an in position, and then maybe.
We're
I
gonna
got
zip line.
I got signs all over here, so they're just leaving this zone.
I'll zip over there
Close.
with
Guys,
you.
Real close.
Zipping over.
Zipping over. Yeah, I see him.
Spotted.
Yeah, let's just keep going. Oh,
Going.
Oh, I fell off.
Reload.
fuck.
Reload.
I got one on me. Oh, I'm down. Second guy. He's rezzing. Get him. He's rezzing.
Oh my god.
That didn't go well for me.
I did it the whole thing with the gas and everything.
Yeah.
I was nailing them for a second.
I pushed into the building because I thought we were doing a coordinated push, and that's
We were
not
all
what actually
separate.
happened.
I was
Yeah.
dealing with a team to my right, and then there was a team across the river, and then there was this team.
Oh,
Yeah. That didn't, like, we were attacking multiple teams. It wasn't the way to do it.
I was sort of waiting to see what you guys were doing so I could regroup with one of you.
Oh.
well, one of you went left, one of you went right, and didn't help.
I stopped in the middle.
Yeah, I thought, so what I thought Tynan was going to be shooting at the guy downward in the building. So I shot at that guy.
I
And
ended
then-
up shooting at a guy on the right who I saw when I was in the zip line.
Yeah.
Okay, so in
So-
future, a good strategy is not to drop between two teams that are shooting at each other. Yeah. All right, good.
Yeah, I agree with that. I wanted to go all the way across the zip line and be in the circle, but we didn't. So
Probably should have just stayed where we were and like
just waited.
well, just watched and formed a plan. and then-
just about anything would be better than what we actually did. Like any
It wasn't that
alternative.
urgent. It was not that urgent.
Yeah.
But
Oh, looks like I'm jump master. I know how much you guys like that.
You and me. Let's take this
I don't like being jump master. I don't know what. I don't dig it.
cognitive.
Is not
And I don't really care that much where I land
unlike life.
unless I feel like Skulltown, and then I like landing
See if all
Skulltown.
those drills have paid off.
Damage done is such a better display stat because the number's always higher.
I fall only when the gods will it.
Makes you feel more confident.
Alright.
Do you like Slum Lakes?
Sure.
Think in the pit.
Sure.
Hold on tight. It's time to drop, shock, and rock.
I don't see anyone else going there, but I've been surprised before. Oh, they're wait. Really?
Solo, yeah.
No, it's a team. It's separate.
Well, I'm gonna fuck it up, so
I'm gonna go out the back.
I'm getting a thing.
I'm
Fight here.
okay. Well, too bad you didn't say that before I went the other way. All right, I got a 301.
Two of them on me. On them right beside me.
Spotted a subject.
They both have guns.
almost punched him. Glad I could help their team.
Alright, watch you get executed. You're getting executed. Shoot him while she executes me.
I can't see him. When you're far away, your like recover icon covers the dudes.
Oh, they're right on our corpses.
I'm gonna get him to chase me a little bit, and then shoot him.
I hit them, so they should be at lower health. Most of the guys.
Actually, I've got a plan.
Looks like I'm inside the ring. I'm getting shot at.
Oh god, that hurt. Ow.
Fight, you gotta fight.
No. Here's what I'm gonna do. Oh god, why didn't it slide?
This is a hold my beer moment, I
It definitely doesn't sound like they're chasing you.
No, they are.
swear. You're gonna go all the way around?
Yeah.
They're definitely not chasing you. You should stop and then go back and check.
Yeah, he's going around. Get our advantage.
I know what he's trying to do. I'm guessing he's gonna get.
No, he's chasing me,
I can
dude.
still hear them. I can
Yeah,
still
he's
hear them chasing.
still on you. Better hurry up.
The res place is...
Don't
Grab our
worry, I
use
got
One
the
north of
squad
this.
mate spanner. Don't worry, I got the squad
I
mate
had some
spanner.
decent guns. By the way. This actually works, that'll be amazing.
Well, it's part of the game. Very intelligent plan.
Look, whatever else happens, I scored some damage points.
Use a zipline.
I'm actually gonna go to this one because it's more secure. It's not that much further, and it's got a zip line going to it. Look, it's unlooted. You'll have loot up there. It's great.
There's probably no one who went over here because of all the slum towns.
And the guys who may still be chasing me are unlikely to figure out that unless they have a bloodhound, which, let's be honest, there's about a 75% chance that they have a bloodhound.
Everyone plays Bloodhound or something?
It's just one of the more useful classes. If you're an offensive player, right? Like if you want to max your kills, you get Bloodhound. There you go. Team player, man.
There you
I
go.
could have tried to 1v3 them.
Appreciate it. I don't see anybody.
Drop, shock, and rock.
I'm, however, going to take some of the good items. Oh, God, there's a Spitty here.
I just need one gun.
Okay.
You say.
I'm going to take the Spitty, and I'm going to drop my R301 for you, because even though I like that gun a lot,
I like it.
What's the plan now?
well, we get you guys stuff. which could happen.
West, we'll probably get loot if I
Yeah, like northwest, there's these cabins.
That's
Like-
where the
Let's explore
hotspot
this
was.
way.
Alright, let's go east.
Well, no, the hotspot was Slum Lakes.
I hear shots from up
All right, all right. I'll go east.
There's unlooted bins here, so
Good deal.
New kill leader. Eyes out for him.
Why is my so weird? They introduced this bug where if you drag your weapons to swap slots, it doesn't update in the in-game HUD. It's like still looks wrong. It's really annoying. Yeah. And then I go to swap them again, and then it's still wrong because they're actually wrong.
take the sniper tower.
Yeah.
I suspect we will find something here.
Oh, someone's respawning right here.
Oh, we can get him.
I don't know if we're equipped,
Dropship up there.
but then they're weak because they're a player down.
One or two people, so.
Yeah. Someone just ballooned over there, so maybe they're getting attacked. Yeah. Actually, I'll take this.
Good work. We're inside the next one.
Fighting going on. They're coming at us. One on me, on me.
Alright. Fuck.
Shut that. Arc around.
Right outside your building, John.
This guy's bad.
More enemies down.
Alright. Are you doing the revive, dude?
Yep.
Reviving.
Alright.
Sneaking our player back up over here.
I think there's still a guy near me.
Guy crawling right here. Down him.
Reload.
Shield battery.
Recharge the machines.
I got no health, so
I dropped a digital threat. There it is.
let me a health drone.
Yeah.
Pass me that shield.
There's still one guy up from this squad. Watch it. And then maybe from the other squad. That Bloodhound just activated. Low ammo. I need heavy ammo if anyone has any.
Second squad hit.
That Bloodhound just took off, dude. I am short range only right now.
Skull piercer.
Push
Who
up.
needs what?
Unless someone's got heavy. I need heavy. You could smoke one of those chests and I could loot it if you want.
Healing?
No. Heavy ammo only.
Smoke these corpses.
The problem is caustic gas affects me. Fuck it, I'm just gonna loot it.
I'm covered.
No heavy ammo on this one. There's an R99 though, if someone wants that. Good gun.
I prefer the little shit pistol.
Really? Peacekeeper longbow here?
They disengaged.
Look, they're respawning.
There's lots of good shit on that core. I took a lot of it, but there's more. Anyone need light ammo?
Yes. We should maybe go after these guys before they fully freeze.
Yeah. Well, they're in a fight, but we can also come. Should I drop our drop? You guys could maybe use some better armor.
Yeah, maybe we'll.
Yeah, let me drop it over here.
Here's your birthday present.
Oh shit, you're everything.
Oh, I thought you guys were coming this way. Sorry.
Oh,
Wasn't-
guys on.
Firing.
Let's see him.
Over here.
I see him.
Enemy.
Come your way. Come your way.
Alright.
Enemy spotted.
There's one in the riverbed. This building.
Okay.
Knocked him.
Drop in the blade.
Go execute.
Yeah, stealing it.
Eliminated. There's more of them now.
Watch out for airstrike.
Yeah,
That was
I need
me.
Bangalore ultimate. Oh, is it you?
Alright.
Half is what's
Yeah.
left. No time to be dying. Extended light mag here. Level 2. Your kill leader. Call if you spotted.
On this roof.
Coming. He ran away. On the other side.
Grab my
behind me.
Reloading.
Coming up on me. Blocking the door. Blocking the door.
Open it, open it. Thank you.
Setting shield, you'll be alright.
Appreciate it.
Health drone.
Deploying health drone.
I'm outside.
Recharging.
Did we get the roof guy?
No, there's still these
All right.
over there. He was up there last I saw.
I hit roof guy a bunch, but didn't kill him, obviously. I still need more heavy ammo if anyone has it.
There's some.
Thanks. Oh, that'll help a lot.
I don't have heavy ammo, but yeah.
There's corpses in this building over here. You can look for heavy. And
Oh,
Oh, he hit me.
Contact with enemy.
Scared, I need to heal.
Throwing Oxstar.
There you go.
Throwing Oxstar.
roof, roof, roof.
Gassing in.
I'm gonna push roof.
Yeah, I'm getting up.
Oh fuck! I reloaded at the wrong time.
I'm on the roof. He's fine.
He's in the building now. He's really hurt.
Oh, something just blew me up.
Where is he?
Fleeing because he's really hurt. I don't see. In this building?
Maybe we should get our bearings. I'm low on health.
No, I'm fighting this dude right now.
Coming. He just ran in the building? Or he ran behind it? Yeah, he ran
Yeah.
behind it. On me. Running right now, please. Right over there. Right on top of the rock.
Dead.
Last one. Coming up and then we'll
Squad
loot.
down.
Bangalore smoke again?
10 people.
Should have smoked for that res. All right, I need to loot some things. I am low on everything.
Yellow crate.
I'm desperate for help.
I got some health
You
kits.
have a health drone over here?
I'm in this building. If you want to come here, there's a ton of loot in here.
Coming. Yeah, just
Oh,
put
shit.
on the loot.
Come on. Say hello.
You guys didn't take this guy's heavy sniper.
I don't want it.
Okay, well, I do.
Anyone need a big shield battery?
Recharging my shields.
I'll trade someone littles for bigs. Littles for a big.
I have both.
I just don't have any littles. Okay, here's a...
Yeah, there's lots of littles for you. And heavy armor, heavy ammo.
Kill leader. Call him if you spot him.
Anybody need any of this stuff?
Drone's coming, we're just in it, so I think it's good.
Oh yeah, baby. Extended heavy mag.
There's a helmet over there, I'm gonna look at it.
Oh, so good, dude. We're owning. Alright. We're gonna have another drop in like 1 minute. Did these guys really not have purple armor anywhere?
I might have grabbed it.
Got a hop up here.
Oh,
You
I got
didn't.
two.
Tynan's still on white armor.
Okay. We got healing.
Okay, so I have a digital threat sight, so don't hesitate to smoke enemies if you want to block their vision.
Okay.
I mean, it's a close range shotgun rig, but yeah.
That one's not too far, it's only 4 squad.
Did you guys loot this body over here?
Maybe.
Where was it? Here, yeah. Heavy ammo. Yeah, yeah.
Extended light mag. Barrel stabilizer here. Leather 2.
All right, where's this drop that was just coming down?
Brilliant. That's what I need.
What, the light mag?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did,
Stabilize.
what gun are you using it for?
R301.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. That's so much better when you have an extended.
Eyes on.
Right here. Only
Oh, you guys are way back there. I'm not there for 10 seconds.
Heads up.
run.
Uh,
They're grenading us from high ground. Okay. Is that your Bangalore thing?
Nope, that would be theirs.
The Bangalore ult. I guessed.
we got to get through there or somewhere.
Listen up, I'm taking
Well, they're shooting me.
Downed him.
What part of the hill? Oh, damn.
rings nearby.
Coming back. They're not pushing us. We should be able to res them.
Okay, these two teams are fighting. The guys up the hill are fighting the guys in the passageway.
Res them. I'm not
Yeah.
pushing this.
I've got
Yeah.
some shields up. 45
Uh,
seconds, rings just up ahead.
Help throw 'em?
Yeah. Let's go to the right around this whole mess. So Zell, come toward us.
Yeah, there's a guy taking.
I'll cover you, hopefully. I don't have any nades, unfortunately. Yeah, good.
I got grenades.
Oh, up the hill. Just get out of sight of him. Oh God, behind me.
God.
What?
Yeah, we just took way too long in one spot. I think that was the same squad. The guy just circled around to get us.
I'm surprised that all three of us shooting at him couldn't take him.
Well, I was turned the wrong way and took too long. That was still a good round. We started very badly. We hardly had any loot and had to revive, and we did pretty well, all things considered.
Oh, he placed third. Alright.
I'll take it.
And the point of the game is to place third. That's the objective. So,
No, you said the other day it was to play second.
well, they changed it. They patched it. Now the point is to place third.
Got it. It's like suicide chess, right?
Yeah.
Trying to lose.
I
It's
try
like-
to place third. Fairly often.
It's like 20-player suicide chess where the point is to come in third. Oh, we don't have a Zell, but maybe he'll show up.
I'm loading, so.
There we go.
My thesis: the willing will survive.
The willing will survive. Does it even say the same line for everybody, or does it pick a random caustic line?
I'm a man
Ignorant science is unapologetic, as am I.
Oh, okay. That's the level of shared reality we're inhabiting, i.e. not. I feel cheated. I feel like this whole game is a sham.
This is
lie.
your champion.
Oh, I'm the jump master. That sounds great.
Oh, God. Well,
Artillery?
people will be too impatient to go for the
Hit the jets.
Okay.
Dropping hot.
numbers too.
Artillery, all right. I can do it. Oh, there's guys.
Go for the far building.
Yeah,
Get together.
unless they go there.
Well, this works as long as we're together.
They split off. They split off.
Just 'cause they do it.
I'm going upstairs.
Roger.
Armor in the middle for you.
I am loaded.
Oh God. There might be hostiles on the roof.
I am well armed, so.
Nope, there aren't. Okay. That's just the doors in the middle are really loud, is what that was. Ooh,
First blood.
I got armor.
First blood.
I got 2 guns.
Making contact with enemy.
Taking fire. Reloading.
Shit. I'm not doing well here.
Yeah, I wouldn't engage. I don't have a good weapon for that. There's one on the ground. Oh god, run right on me. Oh, I owned him. I'm gonna go around the back though. Oh god, he's chasing me. Or his friend is chasing me. I'm in trouble.
Yeah, I should be owning this guy. It's gonna hit me.
Health drone out back.
Can you guys ping where they are?
Where you are.
Oh, down inside. Right on me.
Oh my god. I use a shotgun, I can't hit shit. These guys use a shotgun.
Fuck.
Gotta learn how to use these guns.
Ouch! I used my health drone. Oh, I'm stuck on barrels. Ah! Dude, the Havoc takes so long to shoot the first bullet with no turbocharger. It's like a half a second.
I completely whiffed that game. I had like a long 3-magazine fight with this guy with a longbow and I never hit a single shot.
0 damage dealt. 0. Man, yeah, it really hurt one guy at one point, but then he just had a teammate there that I couldn't deal with.
I should have put some traps in. Completely forgot.
Yeah, dude, caustic traps. Science, you have to use science.
If you're with me, I'm
I'm
with
sure they're
you.
that effective.
In that place, they would have been, like in the hallways and stuff, because they at least slow guys down a little bit.
The one who killed me came through a door from the inside and killed me. So they should have been trapped.
Nothing like cold steel on a hot day.
Do 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 do.
Introducing your champion. Pain, death, nothing phases me.
All right,
Oh, I'm the jump master again.
it's your day for
Why
that.
does this keep happening?
You guys like jumping in bad situations, right? Feel free to recommend.
I suggest this landing location.
Over there is probably good.
I would
Landing in
Like repulsor, yeah,
probability for success.
yeah.
repulsor it is.
Out now. Drop.
Definitely going for repulsor.
Never mind. Supply ship over there.
Sir.
The jets, we're dropping high.
We should conduct a search right here.
First blood. Tastes like good too.
So, yeah, never mind.
You're ready for it.
Oh, we're actually going for the ship? What? No,
Get
dude.
it too.
Uh,
Why I waited so long.
all right,
The air squad didn't make it, so
prepare to repel borders.
they can't get up here. Oh, you're just gonna like
Trap it all.
down? I
Yeah.
like it.
Why not?
I
Do
think
it-
that is a fantastic strategy.
So if we drop, we kind of want to go to an area where there's no people, I guess.
Anybody find any good loot on this thing? The loot's been shit for me.
It's not good.
Yeah, I got a longbow P2020. I mean, it's not like an amazing drop.
It's supposed to be.
Fly around and drop where you want. I mean, there's a compound under us now. I think we can drop.
Like this one, maybe?
Go this way.
Yeah.
It doesn't look looted.
Oh no, there's people looting this one right here. I can see.
Which one?
I have a subject in view.
Yeah, I mean this one to the east.
Do it this way.
Okay.
Oh, got eyes on.
Check out
Right
this
there.
area. Cancel that.
Well, let's own him.
You dropping?
I'm going here.
Probably move. This thing's
Dropping. Oh, right under you. Right there.
shoot him. Shoot him.
Oh, on me, on me. Oh shit, burst gun. He's hurt. He's super hurt and running. Down. I'll get the res. Oh, you're getting the res?
Yep.
Where's this guy?
I'm down again. He's right there. Right there.
Okay.
Coming to me.
Oh, this guy's good. Jesus. I'm hurt. This fucking game, dude. Sliding is so hard compared to Call of Duty. If I die because I didn't slide, I will be angry. Like, you have to be running so fast in order to slide, and if you're not, you like crouch, and then the guy just shoots you.
Yeah, the crouch thing is the.
They need to fix that. It's so aggravating.
I put 3 bursts in my fucking pistol in that guy and he just shrugged it off. God.
Well, yeah, we were getting shot, shooting in multiple directions.
Someone's
That's
coming.
about drop this ship.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think the ship loot is that good. I think it's more like just for fun chaos, because maybe another team's going there.
Yeah, that ship loot was garbage.
Although definitely I've been on ships that had good loot, but they were maybe the later ships that come in. Maybe they nerfed the first one, or I don't know. That doesn't make sense either. So maybe we just got unlucky.
No, there was like an R99. That was the best gun I found.
I got a Hemlock or whatever.
Ain't afraid to match but losing. That would be a drag.
I should have finished that guy that I knocked, man. Then it wouldn't have been a 0-bagger.
Intelligence will guide us to survival.
Got the kills.
Today will be our day. Fight Riga.
All right.
Hey, you got a kill. That's good. You're up to 7 now.
This is your champion.
That was a while ago.
Follow my path to win.
All right.
That's
Jump master
you've been
again.
Jump master 4 times in a row.
It likes me as jump master. It's like, where's he gonna kill them this time?
That's a 1 in 81 chance thing. Okay.
Half the squad's jumped. You guys want to go to Hydro?
That's going to be a hot drop.
Or do you wanna go
I
to-
suggest this landing location here.
Fuck it.
Hostile spotted.
Yeah.
Prepare for battle.
Squad on our
Squad
right.
to the right.
They're doing the ship. Are we doing the ship again?
No, god damn it. All right.
Just skipped it.
Get ready for them to drop down very quickly,
Yeah, they're gonna grab a gun and drop it on.
because they for sure saw us.
Good thing it's not us.
That wasn't an item.
Extra alternator if anyone really needs it.
You know, the alternator is not actually as bad as people say. It's not good, but
Yeah, I mean I can kill a guy a good hit with some luck.
We're all inside the ring. Good.
they're dropping now this way.
Enemy spotted.
Grab a shield. Purple.
Oh, I don't have purple.
They're climbing up. They're trying to get up to the hills over there.
One of them came down.
I have no
Wraith portal. Well, let's not engage then.
Be aware of the new kill independent variable added.
Yeah,
I'm falling back to loot.
Let's get out of here.
I'm going up to the ship.
There's not gonna be anything left there, man.
They looted that.
I know. Crossing over. Has zip lines.
I get you. There's a helmet here.
Helmet here. Level 1.
I can use that.
Yeah, I need heavy ammo, so.
Yeah, I need heavy too, but I would like to
Here,
transition
I got
to a
20.
different gun.
I got 20. Here you go.
Tynan might need it more.
Well, he's
I
not
can't do
tearing
much
this
with
at
20.
us.
I got a flat one.
Yeah, so do I.
Come get it.
Yeah. Well, maybe we go to this next area and loot. Zell went to a different place.
He's looting up on those.
Let us know if you see anyone.
Yeah.
Like a bunch of guys just shooting me.
Oh,
Yeah.
hey.
Yeah, let us know if that happens.
You guys will probably hear it.
Oh, this is looted. There is an armor here though for you.
Gonna check for loot
No,
swap.
no, 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 no.
Body shield here.
Putting controls on mouse wheel click is so bad. I need to change that. Yeah, it's just a bad
I use
default.
F for enemies.
What the hell
Yeah,
are you
so
guys
do I.
engaging?
Nothing?
Not engaged. There's other people fighting. They're not that close to us.
Yeah, they're pretty far. I don't know where to go to. Like, I don't feel like I want to take fights with this level of equipment. Oh, the cave is not looted right now. There's a few containers in there. I kind of feel like it might not be a bad strat if you want a cold drop to like just drop at one end of this cave and loot all the things. Because there's like 5 or
Part of
6
a cold
containers.
drop, what you do is just look backwards and see where no one drops.
Yeah, that's true.
Optics here. Sniper.
Yeah. Nice.
This cave has always been pretty good to me. It's enough for like one full set of gear at least.
Anyone want shotgun bolt or sniper stock?
I could use a shotgun bolt.
Ooh, shotgun bolt. Oops. Okay, I don't know where to go. Market? Buildings by market?
Level 2.
I'll take that just for later. Like, I feel like market is 95% likely to be looted, but once in a while people don't go there.
Not far from the ring. Half a minute.
Oh, but there's some bins right there.
Yeah, let's do that. Ooh.
10 seconds. The ring's close.
Now I got one.
I suggest we do some research in this area.
I mean, we could check market.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 2.
Nice.
The ring is moving for light fighters. No one is inside.
I think I got open doors over here. Nope. That.
I hear a robo. Robo buddy. I'm gonna check in market. Yeah. Ooh, I don't think it's looted in here, man.
Yeah, it looks clean to me.
The rewards in that
Yeah.
care package could be a
Shield batteries and stuff. So.
Yep.
Phoenix kit. That's not looted.
Gotta hop up here. Select fire.
Oh, I'm gonna do that select fire. Where was it? There it is. Alright, I vaguely know where it is.
You still need heavy?
I do. Thank you.
Backpack, really.
Alright.
Extended heavy mag here.
Oh, bro. Scout.
Off the squad.
There's another level 3 shotgun bolt.
Shotgun bolt here. I need it.
A lot of drops come down real close.
Oh, actually, I don't need that optic.
Yeah, Spitfire. Hello.
Deployed.
Ah, I want the spitty. Too late.
Level 2.
Alright.
Light mag here. Level 3.
There's a choke here.
Got a hop up here. Choke.
Optics here. Close range.
Alright, I need a better backpack, and I have a drop to drop for us.
That side.
Ooh, I need heavy ammo. Someone got a pile of it?
I've got some.
I got a Spitfire with 20 reserves, so yeah, that'd be useful.
Extended heavy mag here.
I don't have a
Level
ton.
1.
All right, I'm gonna. Okay, this side is in. All right.
There's your heavy.
Heavy ammo here.
What was I gonna give people? More heavy, I guess.
Oh, that's the zone.
Yes.
Cutting off the other half of the
Heavy ammo here. Good. Jumping now.
I've got a package for us if we want it.
boards.
Yeah, let me drop it back here while it's defensible.
I'm calling a lifeline package.
Anybody sniping?
I have a 3x that I'm sniping with. That's all I need. Yeah, I don't.
Variable 4 to 8.
I'd rather have the 3, honestly. I just like it.
Southeast.
That is very close.
Skull piercer.
Down over there. So we can go for it.
Well,
I guess we're going for it.
we don't have to. Take a look-see. Oh, that's very close.
Right there. They're right. I see a mover. Right side.
I missed him every shot.
Down him.
Rub the shield. Down? Okay, don't worry about it.
There's further ones back in the river. Oh, there's one right where you down that guy. Broke armor.
Yeah, I'm pushing in.
Just giving my shields a recharge.
He just went down the slope towards the river. He's gone jump down. He's ziplining up.
Taking fire.
Right here, right on me. Just drop down again.
Incapacitated.
I'm gonna get into cover somewhere. Do we have a Bangalore? No.
I'm down. I'm coming back.
Yeah, yeah. I was hoping we could smoke you, but
I'm over there.
ow!
Yeah, don't engage till we're back up.
Extra out.
I have a shield, so they can't really kill me from this distance. I'm just
Yeah,
gonna break
good.
line of sight for them.
Target spotted.
And then he res me
Hit
behind
him,
some-
hit him, hit him.
Res,
Shit.
res.
Yeah.
Broke armor.
Just hold him back.
Broke armor again. I think a friend is pushing. I'm getting pushed. Gold armor. Damn it. Dude had gold armor. Bro.
Gassed him.
I heard him hard. He's running, so you could probably res me.
Death will have to wait.
Taking a moment.
I gassed his route, so he can't really come.
Thanks. Come now. Say hello.
Ah!
Spotted. Taking fire.
I got knocked immediately.
Ah, reload. Well, he's here.
Yeah. These guys are good. Do not underestimate them.
Yeah, very, very difficult to hit him.
I mean, they're not Shroud, but they're good.
No, it felt like Shroud. Right here.
Oh, it's the fucking sliding. God.
Well, you got shot by a different guy anyway.
That was the guy who got me.
Yeah. They were splitting up. I'm getting you from multiple angles.
Well, I killed
Another
mine.
300 damage, no kill.
Yeah, me too.
I killed mine.
$328 to be exact.
Who's counting?
I think that guy that I was fighting their lifeline must have had a gold backpack or something. Because I broke his armor and shot at him like 2 seconds later and he had armor again.
I somehow fired my entire clip of flatline at the guy and then my entire clip of auto shotty and nothing really happened.
Yeah.
this apple cider that's super infused with herbs and stuff. It's off-putting.
Okay.
Entropy is the natural order of the universe. I simply catalyze the process.
Now run with me. I'm ready for a match.
Introducing your champion.
You better not run with me. Good, I'm the jump master.
Somebody else jump.
I don't know where to go. How about this?
Let's land here.
How about that?
The airbase is not bad.
All right, airbase. I like airbase.
Get ready, moving out.
Skulltown's the hot drop, so I'm not going to do it unless airbase is occupied. Although it might be, because, oh god, yeah, there's people going.
We'll be in line with them. I think they'll take the right sides.
How about if we just go... Oh wait, no, they're not going airbase. Oh, yes they are. Okay, I kind of fucked up because I was looking around. I was looking around too much. It's fine.
You can use left mouse to reload.
Yeah, I know. I didn't do it correctly.
Helmets and objects.
Yeah, I have no gun yet either.
Ammo. Still no gun. All right. See what we
That's fine. We'll just throw the bullets at them.
Right, RE45.
You have bullets? Lucky you.
Yeah.
Look at the.
Load of crap that we're picking up here.
Got a shield here.
There we go.
Level one.
I got 2 wingmen.
I could use something.
Take the alternator.
Anything. Just there's guys over there. They're gonna start shooting.
Here, have a wingman.
All right.
Are we fighting? Can I zip over?
Yeah.
Oh, don't
Go,
take
go,
all
go.
that. I need some of that.
Hold on.
See them. They looted the end of the runway. They're back.
Yep, they ran right.
Subject spotted. There. Thanks.
What are they shooting at?
I'm shooting at them. They're in their sort of defensive posture. I'm kind of.
Hit one. No armor or white armor.
There's one on top of the.
Broke his armor. Downed him.
I am rehaling.
Reloading. Enemy down.
Ping them. Ping them.
I'm down.
Reloading.
I'll get you up. Don't die, dude. Oh, nice.
I got you. Shields up.
Yeah, I had one real hurt.
I'll drone you, and then I'll move in to be aggressive.
If you need.
Shields are recharging.
Ping them.
Ping him again.
On the other side of
In
the
the
ship.
helicopter.
We just went in the door there.
Yep. I tried to slide. It didn't work.
Enemy down.
I need bullets. They're in the door. In the door.
Dead. Last guy. That's
Nice.
Surprise. The whole squad
it.
defeated.
Okay.
Reloading.
Can I get in this thing?
All right.
Dead body in the doorway.
You can bash the door when that happens.
Both here. Level two.
Oh, not that doorway. The other doorway.
Oh, it was yeah.
Scanning the area.
I need heavy ammo bad.
I don't have any, unfortunately. R99. Baby. It's not that uncommon for somebody to push in, so just
Longbow.
be aware.
Taking a moment to heal.
Oh, let me health drone us back here. We all need it.
Yep.
We all need it.
Come on, Mitchell.
See, my drop was calculated and perfect to put us in the right place at the right time.
Brilliant.
It totally was not a mistake in any way.
All right. Let's see.
I don't
Go
know.
south a little bit. Or no, go east.
Do you guys have helmets?
Yes.
Yep.
So people may not have landed at runoff, or I think that actually maybe someone did, but I'm not sure. This is kind of looted out here, which makes me wonder what was going on. We could check runoff, or we could just go here. Let's go to these buildings. Yeah. This is where the reason I fell short at the wall is because I was thinking of going here for a bit, and then I was like, nah. Oh.
Warning. Communication in progress.
I'm 99 here.
We are inside the next ring. A net positive result.
Heavy ammo here.
You?
Anyone else using heavy?
I am. There's a Spitfire if you want to.
Ooh.
R99 here.
I have a
No.
Spitfire. There's an R99.
Oh, got eyes on.
Enemy spotted.
Alright.
Fire.
I see him.
Pushing.
I'm going to get on these roofs.
They're in the middle of town. There's Bangalore.
Shit.
I got
Ah, damn it. I was out of bullets.
two on me. Two on me.
I need help. There's a guy hurt on me to here. I'm almost dead. I got thermited. Could use a res. Oh, grenade, grenade. Two guys.
Yeah, I'm just avoiding you because I cannot possibly.
Yeah, yeah.
They're shooting him. You ain't no mother.
I don't know. I thought, yeah, never mind. I won't say anything. I totally thought I had the drop on this guy, and he still beat me in the firefight.
Well, at least I killed some guys. That's what matters.
Yeah.
We survived a whole 6 minutes.
Honestly, if we wanted to survive longer, we could totally play passive and probably
Yeah.
get to the end most games. It's
I'd rather get good at the game, you know?
it's not very interesting.
Yeah. Oop. You unreadied for some reason.
It just looks like that.
Oh, it's. Hopefully I will.
Already.
Yeah, hopefully I will be in the thing.
Says Tyrannosaur's in a match, so
Well, you know, it does this thing sometimes where people are late to the party screen, although, yeah, there we go.
It always figures it out.
Look, you can't expect software to, like, completely work.
work properly. Spoken
Yeah.
like a true developer.
If I may be honest, I find death fascinating.
We're in this together. Remember that.
Let's go get the job done, brothers.
I don't think I've played this guy before. Let's give him a try.
Fun.
He's easy to shoot, so try to stay behind cover.
Yeah.
Is it just because he's huge?
Yeah.
Introducing your
I think they all have the same
champion.
hitbox, but he glows when he's aiming, so.
I have not heard that they all have the same hitbox. I've heard that his is large, but I've not heard developer confirmation of that. But like good streamers are under the impression that his hitbox is bigger, and you'd think they'd notice if they shot through him.
I would be surprised if it was different, but
I don't know.
they don't actually.
It's a mystery, then.
Do, We're the only people in the drop ship, so I think we'll be alone up
Yeah. So you got to do exactly the same drop pattern that I did. Oh, no one went there?
Subject over there.
Let's go to the hot drop.
there.
Oh no, people are.
You can go
No,
there.
they're not going there. They're not going there.
Those people are all on the other side of the bridge.
Yeah.
They're all gonna get there late.
Why did I? Yeah.
Placing gas trap.
This is the building where I died in.
Cycle.
Getting nostalgic.
Takes a little bit longer to develop nostalgia.
Oh, I got a triple take.
Best shotgun in the game. Actually, no, it's not.
All inside.
No, it's not.
Stabilizer here.
You guys hate the
Level
triple
one.
take. What's wrong with you?
I don't hate it. It's just not
No one ever
good.
dies when I shoot at them.
Oh.
It's
Unless
good.
like, point close range.
Like at the beginning of the game when people don't have armor, it's good.
Yeah.
Like in the very first fight.
Like no optics.
Longbow here. Anyone using heavy?
I am, but I hate the one. I kind of want to go to the airbase.
Yeah, let's do it.
Zone.
I'm using energy ammo if anyone sees it.
I'm also using energy ammo.
Well, maybe I'll swap off if we see a Spitfire, or maybe you'll swap off. I don't know.
Time to find the Spitfire
I
first.
need a helmet.
Alright. I'm switching over heavy.
Body shield here.
Level 3 body shield.
I'll take that, man.
I suspect we will find something here.
I might take one of those scouts that was in that building too.
Heavy ammo here.
So you dropped that devotion,
Yep.
but you still got the energy ammo. I'll get it off you later, I guess. Or
Yeah, I do. I need heavy though. Sorry, no, I'm
There's heavy ammo on me, tons of it.
using the triple take as well, so.
oh, okay, okay.
Attention.
Well, if you get tons of energy ammo, let me know because you probably don't need a ton of it.
I got 60 rounds, so I
New
can probably
kill
split
leader.
off
Go on,
40
watch
of it.
out.
Yeah. Alright.
By the time I'm done missing 7 or 8 full clips of shotgun. 8. Airbase?
I think so.
Energy ammo here.
Dude, there's a respawn happening
Eyes up.
there.
Incoming.
Oh, someone's shooting at me. What? What? That means there might be two teams, so. Okay. Oh,
Let Luke
right
start,
there.
and then
Contact
Let's
with
see if we can get to
hostile.
the airbase. Yeah,
I don't have a scope, unfortunately.
Placing gas trap.
grass down.
Triple take here. Say we move this way.
Yeah, I'm just going into the airbase.
I'll shoot at them if they trip the caustic.
Helmet here. Level
We
2.
go another way, so it's not time.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait a few more secs.
Half the squad's left. No
Attention.
time to be
The kill
tired.
leader has been eliminated.
I don't hear him. Alright. I'm looting, but stay in frosty. As they say in Top Gun.
Is it a Top Gun thing? I
No.
thought it was Alien. Or Aliens. Sorry.
Is it aliens? No, is it?
Iceman might be the only one who might say stay frosty.
He doesn't though. I said Top Gun on purpose because I knew it wasn't it. I'm gonna drop some heavy ammo here.
Heavy ammo
I
here.
have
I
found a
just
pile.
dropped 160 heavies. We're kind of split up here, so.
Yeah. I need a real good backpack.
I need some kind of a scope for this gun.
Yep, so do I. Ooh, I got a good backpack.
See them. Over there.
Spotted one. Distant.
Just out of sight. Awesome.
Oh, there's one on the further right. He has a good scope up there. Watch it. They down me. Yeah, I was out in the open. I shouldn't have been. He has a good scope. He has a scout with a good scope.
Recharging shields. Shields are recharging.
I don't like being down like that.
Reloading.
Need a fucking scope.
Come, we need your help.
Recharging
Fuck,
shields.
that's not what I wanted.
Care packages taking
Wrong
fire.
button. Got a bloody
Reloading.
big man.
I'm coming toward you, so we might be able to get a res off. No.
Down. Target spotted. Deploying the airstrike.
Right on me. Executed. Yeah, we should have seen that coming. You're executing. There's two of their teammates right there.
Yeah, I don't recommend that.
Yeah,
Oh, I killed a guy.
that's the situation where you. Yeah.
I killed him and I didn't have bullets in my gun, so.
Yeah, I wish I hadn't tried to take him like that, but
Oh, I didn't get him.
Well, we were separated, and they knew exactly where we were, so
Yeah.
there was no way we could.
we shouldn't have been looting, honestly, at all.
Well, it's okay to be looting, but we had to be together.
I don't even know. I mean, because if they came in, they would have had the high position like that. Man, it's just hard.
I don't like my character. He's god awful.
Yeah, he is really bad. The worst one.
He just feels
I-
like he moves slow.
Yeah, I mean,
Well, the movement's the same, but
Yeah, but he feels like he moves slow, you know?
yeah, it's because the animation is slower.
yeah, he moves the same speed, but other characters, like both Bangalore and Wraith, have specials to move faster if you're in cases like you're getting attacked and you need to get into cover or whatever, you know.
Bloodhound.
So, oh, does he or she?
Oh, with his,
Whatever.
The ult.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. So one of those characters is more combat oriented, I guess.
This fight will result in death for the
Yeah, it doesn't help if I'm lifeline if I keep getting dropped first. I don't know why that keeps happening because I'm not being that aggressive. Maybe they're just aiming for lifeline.
Ready to go. Seen?
Oh, Pathfinder also can move. That's a good point.
Alright,
Introducing your
let's try this
champion.
character out.
You're gonna see a lot of me.
Good. I'm the jump master.
I have not been
How?
jump master, like,
Yeah, you don't get to be jump master.
yes.
Thank you. for
Runoff?
reminding
We
me.
haven't gone to runoff. Or we could do water treatment.
Place to land.
Or we could do... I mean, bunker's always hot, so I don't know.
There's only 6 left in a dropship, so if we just go to airbase.
this landing
Oh,
There's
okay.
people in the dropship, so just go to
Oh.
airbase.
Dude.
And people out.
That works.
This landing area will prove beneficial. I say we land here.
I'm just going to cruise in a little further.
Enough lambing around. We dropping. Body shield here. Level 2.
Is wetland the next one?
Scanning for the next ring. Check your mini-map.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
That outside the ring is slow and painful. Perhaps you should remain there.
I got a digital threat. It's gonna be a good day.
Body shield here.
We don't have a Bangalore though.
Well, it's still good for enemy Bangalores.
So I will
And Caustic too.
Yeah, I will stop.
Yeah. Ah, Devo. Do I want a Devotion or a Havoc? I'm gonna try Havoc. No, I'm gonna try Devotion. Fuck it.
Heavy ammo here.
How much heavy is that?
Just
Yeah, I'm not gonna worry about it.
do some.
Yeah, I'm not even using it yet, but I'm like, oh, maybe I'll find a Spitfire, and then someday.
You really love
Mhm.
the Spitfire.
It's so
Spitfire
good.
is great. It's my favorite gun.
Got a hop up here. Joke.
That said, I did just get the turbocharger on the Devotion, and there's another
Current
one.
situation, the Devotion is
Turbocharger.
significantly better.
There's an extra Devotion and an extra turbocharger. I'm just saying.
Right. Seriously?
Yeah,
So-
right there in that room. I just took all the ammo, but maybe we'll find. I think they upped the frequency of energy ammo when they added the Havoc, so
Right. Got
maybe
it.
we'll find some. Just ping any energy that you see.
Ammo.
I got a bit for you if you need it.
Shotgun ammo here.
Got lots of heavy ammo.
There also were Havocs in the airbase if you want to use
You guys are
that
way ahead of me.
with.
Yeah, any energy you got. Like, Devotion, it's great, but it eats a lot of ammo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got 60 rounds for you.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
Half the squad remains.
Attention.
New
There is
kill
a new
leader.
kill leader.
I must confess, it's what I long for.
New kill leader. Eyes out bomb.
Let me know if you see like a 301 or a 99.
I'm using a 301.
Well, a spare one. Or a Spitfire, you know, that nobody wants.
Well, hold up a little.
You got a loot.
Like, I think we're gonna be encountered, and we're gonna lose if we're encountered right now.
Yeah.
I must confess, it's what I long for.
Can I have that energy ammo?
Yep.
Placing an independent variable.
How much energy you got now?
I got 120, so
No, I've got 184, so we'll
I got a
give
decent backup.
the next bit to you.
Let's head to the pit.
I'll be using a lot.
My secondary is just an alternator.
Or this way.
Oh, that way? Alright. I mean, the interior here is probably not looted.
Well, I'm guessing teams are going to be making a.
Careful. Yeah, we can get to the top of the stairs. Yeah, it's not looted, but
Does everyone have medkits?
I think I've gone a different way than you guys have.
Contact.
Fuck.
I didn't ping people. Sorry.
Okay.
Just being garbage. Spitfire.
Placing gas trap.
Done and done.
oh, we're real spread out.
Warning. Ring closing.
We find ourselves inside the next ring. How serendipitous.
Sniper stock here. Level 2.
Okay, I'm gonna drop my heavy ammo over there since you've got a Spitfire and I do not. As much as I wish I had a Spitfire, I'll take a turbocharger Devotion.
Heavy
Tons
ammo
of
here.
heavy ammo here.
I got 240 rounds.
Heavy ammo here.
Using grapple.
I need like
Those care
machine
packages
gun
Likely shift
attachment.
the delta in our favor.
No, let's group up a bit.
Man, Zell's a loot goblin, dude.
So, hold up a little bit, man. Like, you-
Doesn't matter how much loot you have if you're dead.
Yeah. If you're alone, you're gonna lose.
Gotta hop up here. Phoenix, get here.
Oh, we got a little bot in here somewhere.
Energy ammo
It's up there.
Body shield here. Level
Where?
2.
It's up
on the crates.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 3.
We're gonna have a package soon. I don't think I can drop it in here though. I think the whole area is masked out.
Well,
Yeah.
I guess we're going back the way we came.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yep.
I need a barrel mod.
All right, I will drop it by your caustic traps, maybe.
Oh, let's go loot over here.
Oh, guy dropping right here.
Hostile close.
He just ballooned. He's probably alone in this compound, for all I fucking know.
Yeah, he's down. Damn it. That was some crazy wingman work. He ran away. You can red snake.
Oh, he's probably good. No, he's right here. Guys, multiple guys. Ah!
You're behind him.
I just...
Come res me. I'm way far away and safe.
Not all of us are in the ring.
Nice.
I killed an enemy.
Just get the res off or you're dead. You got two guys on you. Well,
Yeah.
it's not gonna happen.
Run away and get to me.
Don't res me. Don't res me. You have to lose them. Yeah, I just had a fucking alternator and the guy was running on me with a shotgun and it just didn't work. I forgot I just had an alternator. No, they were good. They were those.
Firing a wingman like it was a machine gun. I was like bam, 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 bam. Like,
No, those guys are gamers.
yeah, I'm not sure how that's even possible.
You sure it was a wingman?
Sounded like it.
Could have been a scout hip firing.
Felt like
The scout fire is slower than the wingman.
it. Yeah, I know the sounds. I know the sound. That died to it so many times.
I might play the robot again. It wasn't garbage.
All right, gentlemen, it's kind of late here, so I'm gonna have to call it a night.
All right, man. GG's.
Alright. Have a good one,
Till
guys.
next time.
See you.
Cheers.
That was a very weird session. It started out really well, and then the rest of the time it was just disorganized and messed up, and we just kept failing. I didn't like that. The first game was good. I don't know what happened. How many HP? A lot. I needed something like a peacekeeper in that case, or I should have had the devotion out, because even though it's long range, it's got a turbocharger. Could have been good. Could have been good. There's no solo mode in the game, so it'll randomly match me with people. It's just taking a long time to do it for some reason. Because it's a video game. what's going on here. What is going on? Maybe I will not play the game anymore. Maybe we'll switch back to programming stream. That sounds good, right? I think if the game is not cooperating, then we program. All right, changing the stream title. And I got to re-up my drink. I think I want another Bengal spice, and then we'll do some compiler things. All right, heating some water. Back in a sec. Let's take a look at that. Still says gaming for you. I'll update again. I click the update button. I don't know if I click the update again, if it'll still do it or not. Okay. Entity. What was I going to do? Oh, yeah. We don't want release, we want debug. Visual Studio 2019 preview starts way faster than 2017. Well, nevertheless, I will not be fooled into adopting a new Visual Studio. It's never been the right move. So I guarantee there are things wrong with it that counteract the benefit of it starting fast. Like, historically, you just can't use Visual Studio until it's been out a long time. It's just how it goes. It's just how it goes. All right, so let's run this and get this assert. This assert is a newly introduced thing. Okay, well, what's this declaration? .404 module. What module? Wait, what's it called? Load info? Module basic. Line 404. Really? Oops. If 0. Why are we exporting an if 0? That doesn't make any sense. Yeah, maybe export declarations. Should have a null identifier. So does this check for? No? What? The hell? Why would we ever export something that doesn't have an identifier? Doesn't make sense, I don't think. Let's find out. This is all, it's not surprising if there's weirdness in here, because this is the part of the compiler that I've been like tearing up. Okay, it's a different assert. Array, line 359. Maybe grow. It's file scope. Okay. Okay, if... Come on. Not that. Continue. Man, I guess I never ran a debug build before I checked in this wave of stuff, so all sorts of things could be wrong, man. I could just be wrecking things right now. Although, well, now maybe we're just in the usual. So the reason this was checked in was because it seemed to blow up the compiler's memory usage. So now that we're past the asserts, we're hitting that problem. We should not be taking all that. So what are we doing? Clear sleepers. Oh boy, this isn't going to be that easy. This isn't going to be that easy to diagnose. Oh my God. All right. What the hell? This is bad news. I might just not fix this right now because it probably has to do with the thing I'm in the middle of reworking. What the hell is proc? Like proc isn't anything. The problem is probably this. Like, so if I comment this out, what happens? Yeah, then we just get Did somebody screw all this up? What's going on? Undeclared identifier assert? Okay, hold on. Hold on. Oh, did I just... No. I'm getting hungry. Okay, am I like not updated? What's going on? Compiler's updated. Did someone like change all this shit? Like what is... How does frickin' Sokoban work if somebody screwed up basic? Okay. What is going on? We have a program that literally does nothing but call print. Oh, not repro. No, wrong one. Like, what's going on? How is all this? Oh. Okay, these might be just because... No. Okay, this is something that I just did broke this, is my theory. Okay, so what are the things that I did? I went to, oh shoot, I did some of them in Visual Studio. Didn't I? I typed at least one there. Okay, so I did this. Yeah. So that's pretty weird. You know what? So we don't know if once scope export is set or not. So I think what's going on here is we have an overload where one of the overload declarations doesn't have export set. Yeah. Note that we can't early out if the flag is set, since we might have an overload set where the head is not exported but someone else is. This is a weirdness of the way we vent things right now, and if we move toward some system where overload set constants are an explicit thing, we may not have that problem. No, actually, that's not true. That's not true. Strike that. Reverse it. Okay. So now, can we build foo, please? Thank you. Okay, can we build this? Yes. Okay, that's all we wanted, because I was freaking out there. So this thing here is the problem. It's that the renamer, there's like a renamer on here, and I think it's just, yeah, we keep trying the renamer. Renamers are known not to work, so I'm just not going to fix this yet, because this is like the thing that I'm in the middle of ripping up. But I will check in the assertion fix. Oh boy, why is that changed? Okay, that's fine. Let's revert that. Okay, so we're going to say fix a debug compiler build assertion. I am hungry. I don't have real food. I just have sugar snacks. Are we making our own linker? No. I don't believe that you should want to use a linker except for very special cases. So our model is we don't use a linker, mostly. We do use one right now, but the model is we will be getting away from it, unless you need to link C libraries, and then you take the hit of having to run a linker. Daisy found a game-breaking bug. What was it? Raiding with a party of 4. Hello. Sorry I missed the raid when it happened. Hopefully it hasn't been that long. 10 minutes ago. All right. Hey, hi, people, if you're still here. Guests of user 335. So right now, what we do is we compile the whole program into one .o file and hand that to the linker, just because that avoids us from having to do the basic, conversion into an executable. But we basically make a .o file that's the entire program, right? So it's not that big of a step to go from there to just outputting an exe. Pregnant sausage, that's kind of gross. I guess I'm eating pistachio nuts. Yeah, it's crazy how long it takes to link a program. Considering what useful work the linker is doing, which is very close to zero amount of useful work. Sort of the main thing it's doing is for C++, it's undoing the redundant addition of massive amounts of the same debug data over and over. If you just decline to add the massive amount of debug data over and over, then first of all, you wouldn't have taken the speed hit of adding all that debug data. And then second, you wouldn't have taken the speed hit of deduplicating the debug data. So it's a big win all around. You can fly forever. Bro, they're going to patch that. Well, we provide a wrapper for things like the WinSock library. Or do you still rely on some of the Windows API? Well, I don't understand the question. Because WinSock is the Windows API. Are you asking, are we going to provide an SDL style thing that provides a networking interface that's the same across different operating systems? And the answer is, we'll have some things like that for some stuff, but that's not our job. But other people might do that relatively quickly. Will they still be making Windows API calls for things like sockets? Well, sure. The point of this language is that it lets you be as low level as you want, so it's not our job to prevent people from doing that. And it's not really our job to give you glue code, because glue code is inefficient. So, we are generating some wrapper abstraction kind of stuff for things like opening windows and reading input and that, just because everyone's going to want that. But even for networking, it's like, by the time you do a good job at that, it's probably a pretty high level library. Like, I don't think having a wrapper for just like, well, someone's going to make a wrapper for just like opening a TCP connection, I'm sure, but it's, I don't know. Whatever we do in that direction will just be the stuff that we did to ship the game, and then we're just sort of providing it to people for convenience. But again, the philosophy here is very different from C++ or most languages. Like, it is not our job to tell you what the standard library should be that you use all the time. It's our job to provide some basic stuff that's an example of how to do it in the language, but then if different sub-communities or even the community as a whole has some libraries that they like better than what we ship, then that's fine. Go ahead and use that. And our goal then is to not privilege the code that we give out above your code, right? Okay, so I'm not going to fix this one. Because it'll get fixed. It'll either get fixed incidentally as I finish the other job that I'm doing on the laptop, or the fix would be pretty different by the time I'm done with that anyway. Because it's just a problem in this renamer feature, and I know that that doesn't work right now because I sort of, when you're restructuring things, you just like try to pare down what you're doing to a more minimal size and get that working and then expand it again. So this was deliberately chosen to be something that we weren't going to worry about till I finished the rest of the rewrite. So then what do? We could do more game stuff. Game stuff. So I don't know how much of this I want to do right now, because part of what I want to do is have some isolated thing for a stream, but I want to make a level. So one of the things we're going to work on is making the water more interesting, specifically when you're manipulating the water in some of these levels, making that look more better. So I'm going to make a new level just for that. That like where you load the level and it just makes something interesting happen with water. So it's going to be we're going to call it flow. That's it. Just going to call it flow. Hopefully there isn't a level called flow. Data. It's been a while since I've done this. Level sets. I'll put it in my drafts. Flow. Why is Lily Ruga in drafts? Does that not work? I gotta go look at those again sometime. Okay. So we're gonna make a level called flow. And might as well start here. Remind myself what this one was. Oh my God, the shader's so messed up right now. You know, if I go, see here, it's like using a different shader. I don't know why. We're still working on this one. Anyway, it's also hugely fucking slower. So why is that? I don't know. All right. What is the difference? Is it on the ocean? That's the thing I can do, is when I load one of these levels that we put the camera in the right place. But how do I? It's an inanimate. That kind of sucks. Okay. I need to send an email about ocean material. Okay. That's maybe partially why it's so slow, is it's probably drawing the water twice. Like what? There's not a thing there. See if there's something on ocean map. Ocean map. Nope, it's all just my stuff. All right. Well, I'm not gonna worry about it being ugly right now. Or maybe I'll do that tonight. Let me just set up the level that I wanted to set up. One thing at a time. Set up the level. And boop. Okay. We will. How do we want to do this? I want one river, so we'll get rid of that one. And one character. Maybe 0 characters, but whatever. One character for now. And there, and getting rid of some things. And boop. And hope I didn't save accidentally. All right. Okay, so here's what's going to happen is we're just going to have an initial river. Ayo, river. Actually, we want it to be going the other way. Oops. Ayo, river. So this is just the natural state of this river, but we're going to drop rocks into it as soon as you start. So there's going to be like a rock that it's going to actually go here and change the flow. All right, and then we're going to do, this is going to be bananas here, right? So, all right. So basically, we're going to have a thing where this is going to get blocked, this will creep along, and then this should creep along. And just to give it more space, we're just going to get rid of all this. So there we go. And they're not falling. There we go. Okay. So I've got these little flow updater things, and at some point I drew a little rectangle there, right? And you can sort of see we're drawing a particle system on it, and you know, we're drawing this rectangle. But we want to start doing a job of having a more turbulent, so like whatever the water shader is, you know, whatever it does in terms of normal and displacement mapping and making it seem like there's 3D waves, we kind of want, you know, a rushing bit of that at the front of the thing. You know what I'm saying? And we want, why is the wrapping not drawing correctly? That's a mystery. Oh, it's because, yeah, we need to do that. ocean wrapping if world wrapping. Because you notice right here when it crosses this invisible boundary, it like looks like it extends off, and then we get that on the inverse of that when it passes with the back end. Anyway, so maybe what I want to do tomorrow, the reason I set up this level is because tomorrow I think I want to start adding more dynamics. So instead of just one little rectangle there, I want to just have some custom programmed procedural-ish particles, but not a regular particle system. Just some special programming of like, hey, this is kind of going to be like rushing water. And then, you know, we can hook that into the back-end shader and have that be additive to waves or something, if you know what I'm saying. What's the current level count? I don't even know. It's a lot. I haven't run the Benny Hill test in a couple months. Because we just haven't, or I just haven't been working on gameplay stuff for a bit. Anyway, this is not how it's supposed to look. This is an ugly, not real ocean shader. Problem is, okay, let's switch to using the real ocean shader, first of all. And then I'll send people an email and be like, what is going on? Okay, so start camera in right place. Okay, so what if I hide this frickin' thing? There's like another, oh, that's the ocean bottom. How are we not, is the ocean map invisible? It's invisible. If I make it, I see. Okay. So they set it to invisible and then they put a mesh. I am going to make it so that we use, even though I don't like this shader and we're working on it, I'm going to make it so that we use this shader. So this is material ocean skip A. File called draw ocean. Set matrix, set shader, shader ocean. What is shader ocean? Get shader ocean. We don't actually want that. We want a material called ocean skip A, right? So is that used material ocean? Okay. Ocean skip A. So why do we use shader ocean? All right. Let's just see what happens there. I'm not convinced that that's going to do the right thing. But maybe. Nope. It does not do the right thing. What the hell? Why are we at fucking 20 FPS? Probably the resolution at least. Well, I mean, it looks to me. I mean, maybe I just have to do it differently. Let's look in. Just not going to do shader ocean. And so how is this used? Set material parameter. Okay, so we do all this. Okay, so here we go. Material is material ocean. Okay, and then we're going to set shader to that shader. We're going to bind global parameters, bind entity parameters. We do that. And then we just draw the ocean. Okay, who knows what's going to happen there? I certainly don't. It's not my rendering system. Ignacio's made it happen. Okay, that looks like a thing. It's definitely got some weird colors. Based on something something. Oh my God. Look at that. It's freaking out. I probably need to give it some parameters. Let's Okay. What is happening? What is the vertex color used for? Ah. Okay, let's set that. How do I set an entity parameter? Where does that happen? Is that just a global, like? Okay. Why don't I just search for is ocean entity? That's what it was called, right? Is ocean entity. People do not set this ever. Okay. It's got to be data driven then. But I want to set it. I want to set it manually. Okay. That's not what I thought it would be. By material parameters. Fuck. What the fuck? Oh, this is not okay. That's saving it. I was like this. That can't be setting the material It's not. Update material. No. GL. How the hell do you set GL set? How do you set a shader parameter? It's probably in a library. I hate this. I hate not knowing what the hell is going on and just having to figure it out. It takes so long. I just want to type one line. I'm just trying to figure out what one line of code to type. Yes, it is very important to see the grid in the game. The ocean will look better later than it does today, but it's very intentional that you see the grid. GL uniform, that's right. That's right. GL uniform. Look, it just doesn't exist. Oh, I have to capitalize it. Okay. I mean, yeah, I guess I'm going to hack it. Well, like, why am I not seeing that in material? Like, he's building these hash tables of all these material parameters. Where are they going? How are they getting GL uniform? That's just not in this file. Maybe it's in line 1000 of draw. I don't know where it's happening. Let me stop killing my GPU. I don't know what the hell is going on. I mean, I could step through it. It should be in bind material parameters. It shouldn't be that hard to tell. Whoops, I just clicked away from chat. Sorry, chat. All right. Okay, it's in a buffer, right? That's why. It's in a uniform buffer to actually bind it. So how do we, is that update material? This is like when we reload a material from text, but how do I just want to set a value. I guess I'm just going to use GL uniform. That's it. What was it called? Is ocean entity. Okay. We're going to say float is whatever. GL uniform, what is it? One uniform 1I. Yep. Loc, comma, 1. Loc is get uniform location, shader.program, comma, is ocean entity. See, I hate this because I feel like I should be using whatever the higher level system is to like set that on the yeah, whatever. Whatevs. Okay, that didn't really. Oh wait, is it false? Wait, hold on. Is ocean entity, ocean. Disable if using a custom mesh. Yeah, okay. Wind speed. Okay, so this maybe will not, now it's just freaking out just as bad. I did all that. Who knows if it's even set correctly and isn't getting a reset. I don't know. Are we setting the shader ocean quad? Nope. Okay, let's figure out. That probably didn't matter. They're throwing away, like I'm computing all this stuff, this normal black blend from the old shader, and they're just throwing it all away anyway. Like I don't understand. Okay. Right, so is ocean entity was probably set to 1 before, so it's not really making a difference. Oh, the default is 1. So why did I bother setting it? The default is 1. It's because I'm tired. So like why, what do I need to set? Let's just try this. You know why? Because why not? I only coded for the happy case. Well, I think it's right. Oh wait, name, oh, hold on. Else. There we go. Now we will know if we're unhappy. Hey look, I changed the blend parameters and it looks different. Still ass, but whatever, man. Like, what are they doing that's discontinuous every frame? Like, is that a Z fight? What would it be Z fighting with? It can't be a Z fight. Like, I don't even know. All right, I'm going to fix what I'm in control over. Okay, so one thing that I'm in control over is I could change the texture sampling on frickin' the ocean flow map. Right? Let's do that. Let's fix that. Wait, did we compile in the unhappy? Let's see what happens. Are we unhappy? We are unhappy. Interesting. We're unhappy. I don't really know why. Oh, maybe it's not. All right. Maybe it doesn't use that shader exactly. Maybe I'm just not setting up correctly. So if we go to this, then this thing, if we go to the materials, shader ocean underscore B. This one has no is-ocean entity. So the other one was just a backward compatibility shader that had all my stuff in it still. Dude, all right. That explains. So this one doesn't have an is-ocean entity situation. Kind of feel like I might have to take over the water stuff. Or at least, maybe I do want to switch back to my own shader and just like frickin' figure it out. Not sure what to do. Okay. See, the problem is if I fix, so I could leave this ocean shader on the levels that I'm working with and whatever, but if the flow map if the way the flow map is handled is different, then like I can't even fix the bug the same way in both, and I have to figure out a totally different system and fix it there. Let's see. It's hopefully not different. How do we say... Do we set the wrapping when we bind the texture anyway? Like maybe this just isn't in the shader at all, right? I always forget for each API and each revision of each API how it's done. So we go flow texture map. We load the texture. So, flow map, shader color valid. They're doing something where they're processing the flow map into another flow map. Why are we doing a previous frame? What? Previous frame. So then it gets put in water flow map. And then that goes somewhere. All right. Okay, here we go. Is this old? All right. Let me just... Oh, yeah. What the fuck are all these things? Okay, so I'm going to assume this flow map is my old one. So if I do this, what is it called? It's not even called wrap. right? It's called... How do you wrap in GL? Oh, maybe it is called wrap. Why are we only clamping? How come? This is what takes GL repeat. It's not called wrap, it's called repeat. Why? Because. Okay, so I think this is for my frickin' thing. And I just want to know that. Okay, that didn't work. This is the problem, is I just don't even know what this is. So let's try water flow map. These things have changed. Nope. What else would it possibly be? Let's just do this. Just gonna put these everywhere till we get what we want. We are compiling, right? We are. Like, this code might not even be frickin'... Like, this might all be old and not relevant. I don't even know. I don't even know. I mean, I can start busting out RenderDoc and stuff, but I'd rather not, frankly. Frankly. Well, okay. Here's the awesome plan. Every texture in the game is now repeating if it actually goes through this routine. Still doesn't matter. See, they're quite possibly just doing some crap that, like, okay. So, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna go back to my old I don't even know. I don't even know. Like, why are we not using these constants? Holy shit. It's not really that bad. It's just I don't. On the one hand, I don't know exactly what is happening, and on the other hand, I don't know that I want to invest that much in what is happening. Because we just had a meeting the other day where I was like, I don't really like where this water effect is going, and I feel like it's underpowered for what we actually will want. So I'm trying to decide how much I rip up and steamroller and just do my way, and how much I just let people do and improve it. But like, if I were to go through and steamroll it and do it my way, then I'd be able to fix this wrapping problem that I have, because I'd just like frickin' overwrite the shader and put mine back and whatever. That would get a lot of people annoyed and sad. But then I would be able to do the thing. The alternative is to sink effort into understanding their shader that's set up, which is not particularly commented, which kind of makes sense because it's not really final. But like, dude, I don't even know how to set this texture to wrapping right now. And it's the weekend, so I can't like be in the office and ask people. So like I'm in the position of not being able to do something that I want to do until Monday, which is always something that really annoys me. Yeah. So I don't know. This is the part about working on teams that really sucks, and why I don't do it that often. What even? I'm going to change this now because it is effed. It's like, are people just... I mean, I guess if you were going to auto-generate this, you would be like, well, it's auto-generated, so the numbers are actually right. But it's not auto-generated right now. All right. Emacs. Actually, let me do this. Oh, it's not even all called texture. Damn it. Okay, let's just... Okay. We'll win at least a small moral victory. TH shadow map. Texture. Using... Oh, we're already using that. This is a bug. This is not supposed to be texture ID. This is supposed to be... It's supposed to be it. Oh wait, no. Right. It is supposed to be texture ID. Okay, never mind. So these XXTHs, we don't need the XX anymore. Because it's a frickin'... Okay. So now let's make sure that none of my dumb edits from before have messed anything up. Like... This looks okay. Fancy gem shader. All right. So let's review the changes. What do we got? Decals, that's this stuff. Damn. Gotta draw. What's this stuff? Oh. Let's revert that, because I don't know what to do about it. Okay, I'm just gonna... send an email about the ocean thing. Cause like, dude, I don't know. So still compiles, still runs. God, this looks so bad. What did they do to it? Anyway, what? Why is our render target so big? What happens if I alt enter? Full screen rendered target. We don't even, yeah. All right. Clean up hard coded integers referring to texture handles. Okay, we got a minor moral victory. So then, so if I go back to this level, this flow level, the question is, can I fix this now by putting a GL repeat? Or like, is it super messed up? Like that's the mystery, is I don't understand why putting this in here didn't matter. Although if they're like doing their own math in the shader to like wrap to the texture itself or clamp to it itself, there's a possibility. I wouldn't have thought so. That didn't work. Oh wait, maybe it did. Maybe it did. Wait, if it was clamped, then you'd see it going forever. Hold on. Have I been freaking out because I was thinking the wrong thing in my brain about what I would see? If it's clamped to edge and the river hits the edge, maybe they're doing their own math, but oh, it is working. It is working. Okay. Okay. So we need to know okay, so there we go. Are these all strictly, yeah. global textures. Is there anything that's like... Okay. Oh no, that's not right. It's not the right place to do that. If just gonna do this. Okay, so that's not great, but we're not going to be using OpenGL anyway. So, time for some Blackout. No, Blackout's over, man. You can't even get a game. You go into the lobby, you wait forever for a game to start. Everybody's giving up on Blackout. Okay. So we need to set this. Maybe I will put it in there. Oh, bind global parameters. Who calls that? I'm just going to pass an entity manager. We're going to get rid of this global that we just did. And then find global parameters. Who knows? We might not have a manager variable sometimes. I'm just going to assume we do, and if we don't, we'll fix it. Draw ocean. Give people the option to pass that as null. All right, I knew sometimes we wouldn't have it. So, okay. So, Should be able to toggle this if it's working. Okay, because this is wrapping, this is correct. It's correct. I could actually make this more clear by doing, oops, this and then that, right? Okay, it's not drawing correctly for some reason, but it's also not extending off to infinity. So we still have some things to figure out. Okay, but if I make this not wrapping, all right, then it extends, but not to the left. That's not good. It extends to the right, but not the left. Let's just get a camera way out here. It should extend in all directions. All directions. Jesus loves all the directions. We're going to go bottom. So it's only extending in two directions. Why would a texture clamp? This must have something to do with the post-processing that they are doing. Yeah, we don't just wrap in one direction in this game. It's always both directions. It's just how it works. I think it's kind of my bedtime. We've made some progress. I've been a little bit annoyed. I need to just think about, I mean, I guess what we're going to do this weekend, water related, is not really going to involve making things look better. Like the actual water, we're going to be doing the prep of like, here's how we're going to do cool waves and stuff. But I was thinking part of that prep, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's like, it does look like they did some filtering on the water, such that we kind of have a little bit more curved flow there. It's just, I don't really, yeah. Gonna have to send an email about these things. All right, so probably tomorrow, certainly over the weekend, we're gonna do some more water programming and maybe mirror effect programming. I want to just go back to some of the graphical effects and bump them along a little bit more, not to the point again where they actually look cool, but to the point where some of the backing programming is in for when we want them to look cool. It is bedtime. Don't tell me it's not bedtime. I know when it's bedtime. I know when it's bedtime. Thank you for coming by. Let's see if there's anybody programming that we could raid. There probably isn't, because nobody programs anymore except in JavaScript. And we all know about that.
Потому один
Why is the homepage some people with vegetables? Why is Unity immutable state trading system enclosure? Yeah, we're not doing that. Let's see. There just needs to be a programming channel. I just don't like that there isn't a programming channel. What's going on here? +1 longsword weapon in hand. This looks like, I mean, I don't know if this is somebody else's game or if this is actually what is being programmed. Spelunky DS porting to PSP. Okay. Dude. Oh yeah, okay, this is what we're gonna host. Thanks everybody for coming by. And I'll see you tomorrow probably. Or something.